Is your iPhone stuck on updating or spinning endlessly when trying to set the time zone automatically? This can happen due to location service issues, network problems, or software bugs. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it and get your time zone updating properly again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check location services. Open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap privacy and security. Tap location services to ensure it's on. Scroll down, select System Services. Make sure Setting Time Zone is toggled on. Go back and check if your time zone updates automatically. Solution 2. Toggle Airplane Mode on and off. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the Control Center. Tap the Airplane Mode icon to turn it on. Wait for about 10 seconds, then tap Airplane Mode again to turn it off. Go to Settings. Tap on General, scroll down, tap Date and Time and see if the time zone updates correctly. Solution 3. Reset location and privacy. Resetting location settings can resolve issues without location-based services. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, then choose Reset Location and Privacy. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. Following these steps should help fix automatic time zone issues on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more tips and stay tuned for the next troubleshooting guide.